Hey guys, Sam Knockan here today. I wanted to share with you guys the starter plan. We have 4 plans for our clients. Why do we have 4 plans? Because not everybody has the same budget and not everybody has the same time frame. We believe that by having 4 different plans, offering the same services through all the plans allows us to meet everybody's budget and allows everybody to choose a little bit faster time frame if that's their need. So let me explain the starter plan. So you've probably seen these cards here before, and right here on the back is the starter plan. We call it the starter plan because it's really about getting started fixing your credit. Every plan that we offer provides 2 distinct services. One of the services is something we call audit investigation letters. You may have heard of dispute letters. What we do is we'll go ahead and handwrite letters and send it to the 3 credit bureaus, and then the 3 credit bureaus have about 30 to 45 days to respond and render a decision on if an unfair negative item can get deleted. The other distinct service that we provide, which makes us truly different than other credit repair companies, is what we call credit coaching. What's credit coaching? Credit coaching is a credit expert like myself able to help you answer all the credit related questions that are in your life right now that maybe are weighing you down, worrying you. What are some of those questions? Should I pay this collection company? What happens if I pay it? Does it really help my credit? What do I do to get this home loan? How do I get this car at a decent interest rate when I've had a repossession? Things like that can be answered with even the starter plan. Now, why is the starter plan a budget plan? Well, we do all of the credit coaching through the online account. So it's like text message. You log in your account, you send a secure message, you're talking directly to me, you're talking directly to our staff. Isn't that cool? Not every credit repair company does that. They might say they do credit education, but it's not one-on-one and it's not personalized to what you're trying to accomplish in your life. Such as some of the things I mentioned earlier, home approval, car approval, maybe job approval, things like that. So the starter plan is a great way to get started with us, and it's only $40 to start, and it's only $69 month to month, cancel anytime. It's a great way to get started. Remember, anybody that picks a starter plan can always upgrade later and pay the difference. So take care. Sam Knockan, Texas Best Credit Repair.